episode 2. This will be my 6-part credit restoration, I guess, system, guide, or whatever you want to call it. So every day I get someone in my inbox that's usually looking for help on how to repair, restore their credit back to good strength, good health, whatever you want to call it. So I thought maybe I just upload a video or 2 or 6, because that's how many steps that I take to restore credit. So let's just talk about step 1, okay? So step 1, you have to know what's on your credit report. Okay, there's a number of different ways that you can pull your credit report. You can look at your credit report and get a glimpse from only 2 bureaus, which I believe is Equifax and TransUnion, and that's by using Credit Karma. A lot of people come to me and they say, well, I already have Credit Karma. Why do I need another credit monitoring service? So Credit Karma, it doesn't give you a lot of the account information that you need, such as the account numbers, which is a big player there in the game. You need your account numbers, okay? And Credit Karma is not going to deliver that. So I believe it's Experian, they have a free app, but then again, that's just 1 bureau. We're gonna need all 3. So what I suggest is Identity IQ. You can actually pull all 3 reports for just $1 using my link below. I do get like a little bit of change off of it or whatnot, but I mean, you can pull all 3 reports for $1. And I will never leave you hanging, because guess what? Due to COVID and everything that's going on, you can also pull your reports from all 3 credit bureaus. I believe it's up until April of next year. I don't know, don't quote me on that. But I do know as of today, September 24th, you can pull your credit reports for free every week from all 3 credit bureaus. The thing is, with that, it can get very overwhelming. Okay, this process, I'm not gonna lie, it's already overwhelming enough for a lot of people. I get a lot of calls, a lot of emails saying they're just frustrated and they're tired of the whole thing. So if you pull your credit report from the actual bureau, you're gonna get at least 24, 25 pages. I kid you not. They're going to give you a lot of unnecessary information. Some of it is helpful, but a lot of it is unnecessary, because you really just need your late payments, the account number, and the account name, and whether or not it's derogatory or not. So don't stress yourself out doing that unless you're on the tight budget and you can't spend that $1, then go ahead and pull them for free. But if you do have that $1 to spare, I suggest you to click the link below and go ahead and sign up for Identity IQ. And it basically breaks down all of your accounts, all of the bureaus. So you're gonna have Experian in this column, you're gonna have Equifax in this column, and then you're gonna have TransUnion in this column. And you can literally go side to side and compare. And that's a major factor of what we're gonna do. It's something called factual disputing. Okay, you need that type of setup. Now, if you're just getting 1 report at a time from those credit bureaus for the free a week, one free a week, it's not gonna be very beneficial to you, because it's gonna be kind of hard to factual dispute, because you're gonna have to line them up and look back and forth, unless of course you create like some type of a spreadsheet, which really just adds unnecessary time to the already confusing and complicated process. So I highly recommend Identity IQ. It breaks out everything in a nice layout, makes it easy to read, and that's just what I recommend. So the first step, download, I keep saying download, sign up for Identity IQ, pull your reports, make sure you download that report, and then we'll see you in step 2.